So here on my 2021 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim, I went with the Baelor Viking bag, quick release soft bag, but they're actually not a true soft bag, even though they'd appear to be. They have a leather outside, but they're actually a hard shell. And I like these because they have a quick release mechanism, super easy to install. It's literally only 2 bolts, fits on with my existing sissy bar. I like that it's also got a volume of 28 liters. You can fit a lot of stuff in it. It's got a locking mechanism where you can open and close with a quick release here, and it also has a locking mechanism to the quick release itself. For $339, it's a good value. My experience with them has been pretty good. Literally took me maybe 10-15 minutes to put them on. They're super easy to take on and off. Just think it's a great addition to the bike. Super cheap, super easy, really convenient. Build quality seems great. So yeah, totally like these. With the Baelor, it's got this really cool feature where it has this release tab here, super easy. If you're on the bike, if you have gloves on, if you're in a hurry, this lever here just allows you to get in and out of this locking bag top. And inside, you know, it's got 28 liters of space. See here, I've got my tire pressure tool, and I have my backpack. So instead of having to wear this, this just fits right in here. This is just got tons of space, just super easy, just works really well. And another great feature too is that if I don't want to use these bags, say I'm in a hurry and I don't need the bags for today, it's got this really great quick release mechanism here. So you just pull up on this cord and then they just pop right out. You just kind of wiggle them and it comes right out. And you can see here that it's got 3 mounting points, and it's got this quick release cord as well as this quick release knob. So super easy, goes on just as easy as it came off. Just kind of line all these mounting points up and pops right in. Another great feature too is it's got added security with the lock. So if I don't want anyone getting in and out of this thing, I can just lock it and they can't get in it. And so I think this sorry, a little thing was in the way. Bam, now they can't get in it. It's totally locked. I'll show you here on the other side, and I want to show you that there's also another locking mechanism that goes inside here, and that mechanism locks the quick release so that someone can't just come and pull the quick release and take off with the bag. So it's got a lot of really cool features. The construction's really good. The seam stitching's really good. Everything seems to line up really, really well. The materials seem thick and durable. I like the finish being black. It's got this black leather look to it. Really flows well with my Saddleman seat. And yeah, the Viking Bags Baelor, it's the way to go.